In this video, I will explain how to make your PC faster by removing junk files. The first thing you need to do is press the Windows key and R simultaneously to open the Run dialog. Then type clean mgr and hit enter. Select everything you want to delete and click OK. You can also click on Clean Up System Files. Once you're back on your desktop, press the Windows key and R again, then type Prefetch. Press Ctrl and A to select everything, then press Delete. If you encounter a pop-up saying the file is in use, check the box and click Skip. Return to your desktop. Next, press the Windows key and R to open Run and type temp. Here, you can press Ctrl and A to select everything and then press Delete. Again, check the box if you see a pop-up and click Skip. Go back to your desktop. Once more, press Windows and R and type %temp%. Press Ctrl and A, then Delete. Make sure to check the box if a pop-up appears and click Skip. And that's how you can make your PC faster by removing junk files.